Turmeric, everything you need to know. How can one spice have so many probable health benefits? Discover the power of turmeric and learn what you need to know about this ancient spice in our latest video. From reducing inflammation to improving brain function and even cancer prevention, turmeric has a lot to offer. Are you ready to learn more about this superfood and how it can support your health and well-being? And we had some simple detox recipes. Tune in to find out. Turmeric is a spice that has captured the attention of health enthusiasts and scientists alike due to its numerous health benefits. This bright yellow spice, commonly found in curry dishes, is derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. It has a wide range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving brain function, and supporting cardiovascular health. In fact, some examinations have suggested that it may have the potential to prevent certain types of cancer. In addition to its medicinal properties, turmeric is also a natural dye and has been used for centuries to add color to fabrics, cosmetics, and even food. So not only is turmeric good for your health, but it can also add a pop of color to your life. Which turmeric is the best? The world of turmeric can be a confusing one, with numerous types and forms of spice available. When it comes to choosing the best turmeric, you should consider the concentration of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric that is responsible for many of its health benefits. Curcumin makes up only about 3 to 5% of turmeric by weight, so it is important to choose a turmeric product that has a high concentration of curcumin in order to get the most benefits. One option is turmeric root, the whole, raw form of the spice that can be found in most grocery stores. It can be grated or ground into a powder and added to dishes like curries or rice. While turmeric root is a good source of curcumin, it is not as concentrated as other forms of turmeric. Turmeric powder is simply ground turmeric root and is a convenient way to add spice to your dishes. However, like turmeric root, it may not have a high concentration of curcumin. Another option is to use turmeric extract, which is a concentrated form of turmeric that is made by removing the water and other non-active components from the spice. Turmeric extract is often standardized to contain a certain percentage of curcumin, typically 95%. This means that each dose contains a consistent amount of curcumin, making it easier to know how much you are getting. Turmeric extract may be more potent and effective than turmeric root or powder. When choosing the best turmeric for you, consider your needs and goals. If you're looking for a more concentrated form of spice, turmeric extract may be the best option. However, if you simply want to add some flavor to your dishes, turmeric root or powder may be sufficient. Why turmeric with black pepper? It's well known that turmeric has numerous health benefits, but did you know that combining it with black pepper can enhance its effects? Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to increase the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. In fact, some investigations have shown that the combination of turmeric and black pepper can increase the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 200%. Curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory effects, and the addition of piperine may further enhance these effects. The combination of turmeric and black pepper was found to be more effective at reducing inflammation than spice alone. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, turmeric has potential benefits for brain function, cardiovascular health, and even cancer prevention. The addition of black pepper may further enhance these benefits and make turmeric even more effective. Next time you're cooking with turmeric, consider adding a pinch of black pepper to boost its absorption and enhance its health benefits. Anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. While the topic of inflammation is complex and there may be no simple answer, the key takeaway is that curcumin is a bioactive substance that can fight inflammation. Curcumin acts by inhibiting the activity of certain enzymes and cytokines that are involved in the inflammation process. However, very high doses are required to produce medicinal results. Turmeric is also effective in reducing inflammation and pain in individuals with conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Some studies have even shown that turmeric may be as effective as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, in reducing pain and inflammation without the negative side effects. Liver detoxification. Turmeric is a powerful ally when it comes to liver detoxification. This spice has numerous benefits for liver health. Curcumin aids in safeguarding the liver from harm and enhancing its performance. One way that they support liver detoxification is by helping to reduce the buildup of fat in the liver by inhibiting the production of fat cells and promoting the breakdown of fat. Excess fat in the liver can lead to a condition called fatty liver disease, which can impair the liver's ability to function properly. In addition to its potential to reduce fat buildup in the liver, turmeric may also help improve the flow of bile, a substance produced by the liver that aids in the digestion of fats. A healthy flow of bile is essential for optimal liver function and may help the liver more effectively detoxify the body. And if you're loving this information on turmeric, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gut health content. How to make turmeric tea and black pepper. Now that you are familiar with the benefits of combining turmeric and black pepper, you may want to add this powerful pair to your diet. One simple and tasty option is to make turmeric tea. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create this flavorful and health-enhancing drink. Begin by gathering your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Optional: a slice of ginger, a cinnamon stick, or a squeeze of lemon for added flavor. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan. Once the water is boiling, add the turmeric and black pepper and stir to combine. If using any additional ingredients, add them to the pot. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any solids. Pour the tea into a mug and enjoy. You can drink it hot or cold, depending on your preference. You can also customize this recipe to your liking by adding more or less turmeric and black pepper to suit your taste. Try experimenting with different spices and ingredients to find your perfect blend. Other ways of adding turmeric to your diet. There are many ways to incorporate turmeric into your detox routine beyond just making turmeric tea. Here are a few delicious and easy-to-make detox drinks that feature turmeric as a key ingredient. Turmeric ginger lemonade. Combine 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 slice of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add the juice of 1 lemon in a blender. Blend till it's smooth. Turmeric detox smoothie. In a blender, combine 1 cup of coconut water, 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a handful of ice. Blend until smooth and enjoy. Conclusion. And so, we've reached the end of our turmeric adventure. We hope you've learned all about the amazing prospect of this amazing spice and how to incorporate it into your diet for optimal health. Whether you decide to try turmeric tea, smoothies, or one of our other detox drink recipes, we encourage you to give turmeric a chance and see the difference it can make in your life. Don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy and turmeric powder.